Homework set number 3 for ECE 401. This homework set is due week number 5. It's paper design. Design a circuit for your 401 senior design project. And the circuit should include the schematics and calculations for the different resistors. Now, some of the requirements are it must operate off of 5 volts DC, must include at least one integrated circuit. That could be the Raspberry Pi Pico, op amp, 555 timer, your pick. Must include at least one LED, where the current is at 20 milliamps plus minus 5, and include at least one NPN and one PNP transistor. The power supply needs to be a 9-volt battery. Use an LM7805 regulator to drop the 9 volts down to 5 volts. Must have reverse polarity protection, so if you accidentally connect your 9 volts to your circuit backwards, you don't fry your circuit. And have a 1 ohm, 1/4 watt resistor in series. That's kind of like a mock fuse. It also lets you measure the total current draw of your circuit. Now for homework set number 3, once you have your schematics and your calculations, update your OneNote document to include your circuit schematics, your calculated R's and C's, and calculations for voltages that you expect to see. So basically update your OneNote document to include homework set 3, schematics, and calculations. That's homework number 3 for ECE 401.